Hello everyone and welcome to the Year 11 House Music Competition Assembly. So once again we have representatives from each house in Year 11 who have recorded their piece of music at home and submitted it. Then our panel of judges, who are our instrumental teachers, have decided on a rank order of them. Unlike the Year 9 and 10 assembly last term, we're going to announce the results today, because they've already made their decision. So at the end of this assembly, there will be the results. So without further ado, we're going to start with Caldecott. This is Nishant Silvasara performing Chopin's Prelude in B minor. Thank you very much, Nishant. Next up, Simpson, and we have Ewan Williams, who's going to be performing Master of Puppets by Metallica. Thank you very much, Ewan. Next up is Tate House, and we are going to have Josh Lenton performing Samba Time. Thank you, Josh. And finally, Wheeler House is actually a duet. George Spraggett and Raj Palmer are going to perform Live Forever by Oasis. Thank you very much, George and Raj. So that brings us to the results. Tricky decision for the judges, simply because there were a range of styles in there, with classical piano, heavy metal guitar, drums, but also the standard was very high across the board. So our judges have spent quite a while sorting out the results, but here they are. In fourth place, Tate. Third place, Wheeler. Second place, Simpson. First place, Caldecott. So many congratulations to Nishant and Caldecott House, and thanks to all the other participants. Coming soon will be the 12 house music competition. In the meantime, have a great weekend, and we look forward to seeing you back in school next week.